So once you're finished creating your video and you do have it saved, you have to export it out of the program in order to be able to view it in a regular video program or to put it like on a website or in a presentation. So it needs to be exported out of WeVideo, and this is an important step for students as well. And the most important thing is to make sure that you've actually hit save before you go to the export screen. Once you've done that, you're going to go up here and you're going to click on Finish Video. And your video allows you to create a title, My Awesome Video. And then you can export it in HD or in just standard quality. I'm going to stick with standard. HD takes a lot longer to export. And usually what I do is inform students to export this directly to their Google Drive. You can have it upload directly to YouTube, you can have it go to other cloud services, but Drive is the easiest. So I'm going to click Drive, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Finish. Now, this is telling me that this little video that I have is going to take 59 minutes to export. Well, at this point, you don't have to stay logged in. You can log off of the computer, you can close the program, you can shut the computer down. All of this will happen in the background. So if you get to the end of a class period, it's not a problem. Just have the kids get to this point. It's going to work in the background. What's going to happen is after 59 minutes, I'm going to go up to my Google Drive, and I'm going to find that there's probably a WeVideo folder that was created in this in my drive. And you oftentimes, like I had moved mine originally, so my WeVideo folder is actually inside of a folder called Tools, but it will create one automatically. And then you will find your finished video will be in that folder. The other thing you can do is search for your video by name if you know what you named it. Once you locate it in your Google Drive, you're just going to right click on that video and you're going to go to Share, and you can either get a shareable link for your video or you can share it with your teacher. So this is one way I would have students turn in their project, is I would have them share this video with their teacher, and then it's easy. The teacher will get it from them directly from Google Drive. You can also change your share features here. So if I decided, I could make it public on the web, or anyone who has the link could be able to find that video, that's what I'll do. I'll say yes, and then I can copy the link, and I can put that link, anywhere I want. And it will play the video once it pops up. So that is basically the easiest way to export it out of WeVideo and get it turned in to your teacher.